Maharashtra State Board of Nursing and Paramedical Education, regular batch, regular examination in general nursing and midwifery, first year bioscience, anatomy, physiology and microbiology, 23rd September 2025. Question number 1. Select the most appropriate answer from the following and complete the sentence. 1. Hip joint is a dash type of movable joint. A. Pivot, B. Saddle, C. Ball and socket, D. Hinge. Answer is C. Ball and socket. 2. The heart has dash type of muscle. A. Cardiac muscle, B. Skeletal muscle, C. Smooth muscle, D. Serratus muscle. Answer is A. Cardiac muscle. 3. The transparent layer in front of the iris is known as dash. A. Sclera, B. Retina, C. Choroid, D. Cornea. Answer is D. Cornea. 4. The lifespan of erythrocyte is about dash days. A. 150, B. 120, C. 60, D. 80. Answer is B. 120. 5. Dash is the functional unit of chromosome. A. Ribosome, B. Nucleotide, C. Gene, D. Peptide. Answer is C. Gene. Match the following. 1. Pleura. Answer is C. Serous membrane. 2. Prothrombin. Answer is A. Clotting factor. 3. SA node. Answer is D. Pacemaker. 4. Neuron. Answer is B. Answer is E. Myelin sheath. 5th, gram-positive bacteria. Answer is B. Streptococci. State true or false. Deficiency of growth hormone in children produces dwarfism. Answer is true. 2. Lactic acid accumulation in muscles causes vasoconstriction. Answer is false. 3. The myometrium is thickest layer of uterus. Answer is true. 4. Blood group AB positive is universal donor. Answer is false. 5. The adrenal glands are located above the kidneys and secrete insulin. Answer is false. Question number 2. Write short notes on any three. A. Structure of heart, B. Constituent and functions of blood, C. Scapula, D. The stomach. Question number 3. Answer the following questions. A. Write the functions of cerebrospinal fluid, B. Explain thyroid gland, C. List the organs of digestive system and explain the functions of liver. Question number 4. Answer the following questions. A. List the cranial nerves and explain the structure of cerebrum. B. Draw a neat diagram of ear and explain the physiology of hearing. C. Explain structure and function of skin. Or A. Draw female reproductive system and list down organs of female reproductive system. B. Explain portal circulation. C. Classify the different types of joint and give example of each. Question number 5. Answer the following questions. A. Define infection. B. Explain the modes of transmission of infection. C. List out universal precautions. D. Explain the measures taken to prevent cross-infection in hospital. E. Write the difference between sterilization and disinfection. This is the question paper of Bioscience in Marathi language. This is the continuation of Marathi paper. Behavioral Science, Psychology and Sociology, paper 2. Question number 1. Select the most appropriate answer. 1. The normal intelligent quotient is dash. A. 70 to 90, B. 90 to 110, C. 110 to 120, D. Above 120. Answer is B. 90 to 110. 2. In Greek, psyche refers to dash. A. Mind, B. Behavior. C. Soul. D. Emotion. Answer is A. Mind. 3. Dash is the basic unit of social structure. A. Group. B. Society. C. Family. D. Community. Answer is C. Family. 4. Marriage within the group is dash. A. Exogamy. B. Monogamy. C. Polygamy. D. Endogamy. Answer is D. Endogamy. 5. Psychoanalytical theory is declared by dash. A. Sigmund Freud. B. Dr. Bhatia. C. Erik Erikson. D. James. Answer is A. Sigmund Freud. Match the following. 1. Anger. Answer is E. Negative emotion. 2. Memory. Answer is C. Mental ability. 3. Dowry system. Answer is A. Social problem. 4. Fantasy. Answer is B. Daydream. 5. Father of psychology. Answer is D. William Wooden. State true or false. 1. Learning is not ongoing process. Answer is false. 2. Interview is common method of judging personality. Answer is true. 3. Group promote we feeling. Answer is true. 4. Folk ways and modes are means of social control. Answer is true. 5. Planning helps to control emotion. Answer is true. Question number 2. Write short notes on any 4. A. Loss of learning. B. Function of family. C. Conflict and conflict management. D. Attitude. E. Characteristics of mentally healthy person. Question number 3. Define the following terms. Any 5. A. Habit. B. Perception. C. Culture. D. Motivation. E. Socialization. F. Marriage. Question number 4. Answer the following questions. A. Define personality. B. Write different important factors for personality. C. List different types of personality. D. Write the method of assessment of personality. Or A. Define memory. B. Explain memory process. C. Write about forgetting. D. Explain how memory can be improved. Question number 5. Answer the following question. A. Define social group. B. List social groups, structure and intergroup relationship. C. Write factors affecting on society. D. Write down social problems. This is the Marathi question paper. This is the continuation of Marathi question paper. Nursing Foundation including first aid, paper 3. Question number 1. Select the most appropriate answer from the following. 1. Normal blood pressure is dash. A. 80 by 40 mm of Hg. B. 100 by 60 mm of Hg. C. 120 by 80 mm of Hg. D. 140 by 100 mm of Hg. Answer is C. 120 by 80 mm of Hg. 2. The normal color of urine is dash. A. Pale yellow. B. Turbid. C. Dark yellow. D. Red color. Answer is A. Pale yellow. 3. Medicine given by mouth is called dash. A. Injection. B. Ingestion. C. Inhalation. D. Intraperitoneal. Answer is B. Ingestion. 4. The offensive order of breath is dash. A. Chelosis. B. Halitosis. C. Mitosis. D. Mucositis. Answer is B. Halitosis. 5. First step in management of severe bleeding is dash. A. Tourniquet. B. Direct pressure. C. Ice pack. D. Bandage. Answer is B. Direct pressure. Match the following. 1. Hot water bag. Answer is D. Retention of urine. 2. Crepitus. Answer is C. Cracking sound. 3. Salt restricted diet. Answer is A. High blood pressure. 4. Analgesic. Answer is E. Relieves pain. 5. Sitz bath. Answer is B. Hemorrhoids. State true or false. 1. Rabies is caused by snake bite. Answer is false. 2. Linen soaked in blood should be first washed with cold water. Answer is true. 3. Otoscope is used for examination of rectum. Answer is false. 4. 1 gram of fat provides 9 calories. Answer is true. 5. Bottle containing poisonous drugs can have ordinary label. Answer is false. Question number 2. Write short notes on any 3. A. Riger. B. First aid measures in burn. C. Nosocomial infection. D. Ethics in nursing. Question number 3. Give scientific reasons. Any 5. 1. Hand washing should be done before and after each procedure. 2. Cold application stops hemorrhage. 3. Glycerin borax is used for mouth care. 4. Dry dusting should be avoided in hospital. 5. The patient asked to take deep breath after surgery. 6. Oxygen cylinders should kept away from flame. Define the following terms. Any 5. 1. Flatulence. 2. Antipyretics. 3. Enema. 4. Asepsis. 5. Atrophy. 6. Dyspnea. Question number 4. Mrs. Sunita, 60-year-old female admitted in female medical ward, complained of urine retention and fever. Answer the following questions. A. Define urinary retention. B. Write about problems of elimination. C. Write the nursing responsibilities while insertion of urine catheterization. D. Write care of terminally ill and dying patient. Or answer the following questions. A. Define bedsore. B. Write causes of bedsore. C. Write measures, preventive measures of bedsore. D. Write about comfort devices. Question number 5. Answer the following questions. A. Define drug. B. Write rights of medication. C. Write classification of drug. D. Write factors influencing action of drug. This is the Marathi question paper of Nursing Foundation. This is the Marathi paper of Nursing Foundation continued. Community Health Nursing, Paper 4. Question number 1. Select the most appropriate answer. 1. The recommended maximum noise level is dash. A. 40 decimals. B. 85 decimals. C. 110 decimals. D. 150 decimals. Answer is B. 85 decimals. 2. School health services comes under dash services. A. ANC. B. PNC. C. MCH. D. Family welfare. Answer is D. Family welfare. 3. Green leafy vegetable contains plenty of dash. A. Vitamin B12. B. Iron. C. Fat. D. Protein. Answer is B. Iron. 4. Anganwadi in rural areas is a component of dash program. A. Midday meal. B. ICDS. C. School health. D. MCH. Answer is B. ICDS. 5. The daily requirement of iron for the pregnant woman is dash. A. 25 mg. B. 30 mg. C. 35 mg. D. 40 mg. Answer is A. 25 mg. Match the following. 1. Plasmodium vivax. Answer is B. Malaria. 2. Protective food. Answer is D. Vitamins and minerals. 3. Lecture with chalk board. Answer is E. Effective audio visual aid. 4. Constipation. Answer is A. Roughage. 5. Antenatal care. Answer is C. Tetanus toxoid. State true or false. 1. Early diagnosis and prompt treatment is primary level of prevention. Answer is true. 2. Perfect functioning of body and mind is called as positive health. Answer is true. 3. Yellow fruits are rich in vitamin D. Answer is false. 4. Incineration is the best method of infectious refuse disposal. Answer is true. 5. Cross ventilation is good air circulation in a room. Answer is true. Question number 2. Write short notes on any three. A. Cold chain. B. Referral service. C. Disease cycle. D. Communication skill. Question number 3. State difference between any three. A. Kwashiorkor and marasmus. B. Active immunity and passive immunity. C. Waterborne disease and airborne disease. D. Hospital health nursing and community health nursing. Question number 4. Answer the following questions. A. Define primary health care. B. Write principles of primary health care. C. Write elements of primary health care. D. Write the functions of primary health care. Or answer the following questions. A. What are the purposes of home visit? B. What are the principles of home visiting? C. What are the advantages of home visiting? D. Write the steps of home visit. Question number 5. Answer the following questions. A. Define nutrition. B. Write classification of food groups. C. Write functions of protein. D. Enlist the vitamins and their deficiency disorder. This is the Marathi question paper of community health nursing. This is the continuation of Marathi question paper.